What's going on, everyone? Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having an amazing holiday season. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Valeton GP-200X multi-effects processor and modeler for guitar players. And I've just been getting back into guitar. I used to use the Boss GT-100. It's an old school COSM processor. This pedal board here, though, is newer stuff, though. This supports loading your NAM files, custom IRs, all that good stuff in a budget-friendly package. And I feel like it's probably the best bang for your buck option under the $400 price point, even though this is based off the original GP200, which has been out for like 4.5 years now. It's an old pedal. But even this 200X, this has been out for over a year. And still, everywhere you look, like Amazon, Sweetwater, Guitar Center, the retail price on this and the going price for this all day long, $369 here in the US. And the main reason I'm making this video real quick, and I want to get this out here quickly, is because there is an awesome deal on eBay right now. Let me grab my notes here. From a seller called sonicakeofficial. They have a 99.7% positive feedback rating on eBay, and they ship to anyone in North America. So if you're in the US, Canada, or Mexico. The price before tax on the GP200X through this seller, $239.99. The price that I paid after taxes, everything to my front door, $265.49. Over $100 savings in just the asking price alone on Amazon. And keep in mind, those Amazon listings and the other listings, that's not including tax. That's going to take that total up to close to $400. Again, my total price was $265.49. And the cool thing too is I ordered this on Christmas Day, a holiday. And it just arrived now on December 27th, 2 days later. And that includes the holiday. That is crazy fast shipping. So here's a 411 on this deal. There's two coupon codes. One's for $60 off and another one's for $70 off. I think the one for $60 off is going to run indefinitely, but there's a year-end deal code that's going to wrap up on December 31st that gets you another $60 or $70 off. The total's $130. I know that for both codes. So between now and December 31st, if you pick up a 200X from the seller, you're going to get it at your door for $265, which is absolutely insane. And I look at it this way. If I test this out and it's not good, if there's some type of problem with it, this video is never going to come to life. I won't post it. But I'm assuming, based on all the reviews I see for this seller, that everything is going to be great. And I will have saved like $130, well, about $140, $145 after taxes. So a huge savings for those of you that are into guitar like me, and you're looking to save a bunch of money on your next effects processor. Let's go ahead and get the GP200X unboxed. And I'm still kind of in shock that this landed on my front door for $265. I mean, absolutely insane. So let's go ahead and undo the tab here. Let me put a picture on screen on how this arrived to me. So it had some intense bubble wrapping around it, and that's it. Delivery was made via UPS. So let's go ahead and get this going. We have looks like a welcoming type board here that shows you all the parameters and how to get along with the device. You know, these multi-effects modular units can get quite complicated. And I normally don't talk about music stuff on the channel, but I figure it's tech related. And with this type of deal going on, I better put this video out here quickly. Right, so next we have this little black covering here. I assume some accessories are here. So yeah, it looks like we got this right here. Let's see what's in here. And again, this is, and I should mention, this is a 10th anniversary edition pedal for Valeton. That's why they came out with a special edition one. So we've got a fancy little guitar holder here. Looks like this can go on your key ring. That's pretty nice. It's all leather and stuff. Wow, what a nice little bonus there. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable. That's pretty sweet that that's included. So that's going to route right to your computer. And do keep in mind, you can use USB-C to USB-C cables as well. I think it's cool that this device has USB-C instead of using the traditional old printer ports, you know, the USB-B ports. Even though those are a lot sturdier, it's a lot harder to track down cables for them. Then we're going to have the included power supply, because this does not take batteries. You will have to use it with the power supply. And as we take the GP200X out of the box, I notice we have some picks here down at the bottom too. Some nice little extra accessories that they're throwing in. All right, now we have the GP200X itself. I am digging this color scheme. That's what really attracted me to this. So the regular GP200 is just your regular traditional black. Wow, that looks really awesome in person. Oh my goodness, that is sick. All right, we've got some little, you know, the little things you're not supposed to choke on here for kids. keep the condensation out. So let's take a look at this real quick. And again, this is just a quick unboxing because I want to get that deal out there for you guys, because December 31st looks like it's the last day for one of those coupons. But here we go with the GP-200X itself. Again, this video is more about that deal. There's a million unboxings out there on it. We have plenty of I/O on the back, both unbalanced and balanced outputs. We have audio input for your phone, auxiliary inputs. We have an effects send and return, and we also have another port for an additional expression pedal if you want to add to it. So again, this is a tech channel, not really a music channel. I may follow up with a little playthrough or something, but nonetheless, I wanted to get this video out quickly for that deal. $265 out the door. Again, I've already tested it before posting this video, and it's working fantastic. So yeah, check out that deal. I'll link everything I can down in the description. And apparently this particular seller has a ton of coupon codes that they add to their products. So even when that year-end code expires, do keep a lookout for them to add additional codes, because I've been seeing that in a lot of comment sections and some YouTube videos. I just want to make sure you guys aren't sleeping on this deal. You can literally save like 130, 140 bucks right out the door on this pedal. All right, if you have any questions or comments about the Valeton GP-200X, or about the deal on eBay that I scored, please drop a comment down below. I really do appreciate your time, and as always, thanks for watching.